Begin by peeling russet potatoes, though this step is optional based on preference. Cut the peeled or unpeeled potatoes into thick fry shapes. Submerge the cut fries in cold water for approximately 30 minutes. Soaking removes excess starch, which is critical for achieving optimal crispiness. After soaking, thoroughly drain all the water from the fries. Pat the fries completely dry with a clean cloth or paper towel to minimize oil splatter during frying and maximize crispness. Melt butter in a saucepan over medium heat until fully liquefied. Incorporate all-purpose flour into the melted butter, stirring constantly for about 2 minutes to create a golden brown roux. Gradually add beef or chicken broth, while continuously whisking to prevent lump formation. Simmer the mixture for approximately 5 minutes, or until it achieves the desired thickness. Season with salt, black pepper, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce to enhance the flavor profile. Begin by placing hot, freshly fried fries on a plate or in a bowl. Immediately sprinkle cheese curds evenly over the fries. Ensure the cheese curds are well distributed throughout the fries. Generously pour hot gravy over the fries and cheese curds. Serve the poutine immediately to enjoy crispy fries and melty cheese.